Hey y'all, I'm excited to unbox the Callaway Edge set from Callaway Pre-Owned. Excited to start playing golf. I'm relatively new to it, so let's see how they turn out. So, this is what the box looks like. I also bought myself a Nike golf bag, so I'm excited to use that as well. But yeah, let's unbox. So let's check it out. Boom. As you can see here, this is right off of the Callaway Pre-Owned site, so I got the average condition ones, which were under 500. Also, by no means am I sponsored by Callaway, but feel free to reach out if there's somebody watching from corporate. As mentioned, these are the average conditions, so they definitely have some wear and tear on them, but nothing too major, as you can see here. We also have some covers for the heads as well. Here we go. Here's another glance at the set. So far the irons look really clean. See some minor use on them. Here's our putter. See that Odyssey Super Stroke. Here's our pitching wedge. 3 wood with a couple scuffs. And here's our 5 hybrid. This one looks like it has some wear and tear, probably the most out of all of them. So let's take a look at some of the faces. Six. There you have it. This is my first set as a beginner, Callaway Edge Pre-Owned. Let's head to the range. That was a lot better. A lot better. A lot better.